Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a file or folder undeletable in Windows. Firstly, locate the file or folder you want to make undeletable. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, under the General tab, check the box next to Read Only. Click Apply and then OK. This prevents anyone, including yourself, from modifying or deleting the file without changing this attribute first. Next, go to the Security tab. Then click Edit to change permissions. Click on Add button. And then type everyone in the text box, and click on OK. Then select Everyone. Check Deny for full control. Click Apply. And OK. After set, try to delete or modify the file. You should receive an error message saying you don't have permission to delete it. To delete the file or folder, you will need to reverse these changes above. By following these steps, your files and folders will be much more difficult to delete or modify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.